Hello friends, welcome back to a new video. Today I'm going to show you the disassembly of the Toshiba Bluetooth wireless headset. Um, Currently this is having an issue of power on, so I'm also going to repair this. You can see this is not working, but the Bluetooth is getting charged, but it's not working right now. So I'm also going to fix this and also show you how we can disassemble this. um, I'll note the model number on the description, so you can find this. It's a pretty good headset. It's stopped working after falling from my hand. um, it has a very good backup and good sound. Everything is fine. So I recommend you, and it's a pretty good wireless headset at your budget. See, I have also a small broken. It has also a small break here. Mm, it's happened after falling. So I'm going to show you the total disassembly of this headset. So what we just need is a screwdriver. Okay, and let's begin. So here we have this one, and first what you need to do is, here you can't see any buttons or something, so the technique is to pull this. Okay, pull the cover, so it will come out like this, and same process. Okay, so we have it out, and if something happens like this, you can put it back. Don't tear the leather. This is a very soft leather. Okay, so now what you see is two plastics, and it has three screws each. So we need a star screwdriver, normal star mini screwdriver, not the one used for mobile phones, a little bit bigger. I'll show you the diameter of the screw. Okay, this is the type. So you need the screwdriver like that, and I need to be a bit more careful because my headset has a broken part. I don't want that to get torn some more, so I'm doing this in a very careful way. Okay, you can see it will pop out like this, and you can see there is no connection issues here. Okay, so let's check the other side. Okay, I have removed all the screws. Okay, here you can see the main PCB, and handle carefully so that you won't break the connections. So please be careful. And I have removed it. You can see the PCB here. This is the main PCB board. I'm also going to take that out. Need to unscrew. Okay. First, what I need to do is I'm going to check the power buttons. So I hope you understood how we can disassemble this. So this is a simple one. Okay, you can see we have totally disassembled. Here you can see the battery. This is a battery, and here you have the PCB and the volume and other connections. So well, it's done. Let's meet on the next video. You can do it in vice versa to pack it back. It's a simple method, and you can also put this back. I'll show you. this back on the right hole, so it will fit like this. You can also pull it again. Okay, so I'm going to also repair this. So let's short this video and I'll begin back in the next one.